Well, a mild winter got you down. Well, Laura Whitmore from Madison's Parks Department is here to cheer you up with some wintry goodness for us today. Laura, thank you first of all for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
So the first thing I want to talk about, since I have a daughter, you guys are having a daddy-daughter dance. Tell me about this.
We are. We're having. We wanted to get out some of the cabin fever that folks are having, and we're having a daddy-daughter dance right around Valentine's Day. It'll be February 10th.
Okay.
And it'll be a DJ and lots of fun and dancing, and it's for daddies and daughters, so you can come in and spend like a nice quality time with your daughter. Teach her what a really great date is all about.
Okay, I'm glad you didn't say teach her how to dance, because I can't. So how much is it going to cost if somebody wants to attend this event?
This will be $15 for a couple, and then if you've got extra daughters, each person extra is another $5.
Now, have you guys done anything like this in the past?
No, this is our first one. This is the first time that we've done these programmed events, and we're very excited. The feedback that we've gotten so far has been very, very positive. People are very excited to have these events. And another one that we're having, in addition to, we don't want the sons to be left out, is that we're having a mother-son luau.
We don't want the moms to be left out either.
Or the moms, definitely. So we're having a mother-son luau on February 24th, and it's the same deal. You get to come and spend quality time with your son, but this one, the attire should be sort of tropical attire, and we'll be having games and dancing and lots of little fun.
Do you have to wear a grass skirt? Is that required or no?
You should. It'll be
okay.
way more fun if you do, absolutely.
Okay. What kind of sparked this? Why did you guys decide to go with this? Because like you said, this is new territory for you.
Yeah, actually for the last couple of years, Madison Parks has gone into more programming. We've enjoyed engaging the public in our parks and finding places that people can go and do things and creating memories and creating great experiences for people. And it's February, so indoors is not a bad place to be.
Okay, but of course you guys do have your outdoor offerings. It's been kind of mild all winter, and I know you guys kind of got a late start to the ice skating and all that.
Exactly.
Where does that stand right now? Could people go out and enjoy ice skating right now if they'd like to?
I would say today is probably one of the best days that we'll have. It's cool. It's in the it'll only be mid-20s, and so our ice skating rinks, all of them are open in lesser degrees. I mean, some of them are not in the best of conditions because of the weather, but the ice skating rinks are open, and the cross-country ski, as long as there's some snow, the cross-country ski trails are open. We groom them when we can, as well as sledding hills, they're available, and snowshoe trails.
Now, Amy was saying the rest of the week is going to be kind of mild. If people aren't sure before they head out, where should they go? How do they find out if the rinks are open?
Yeah, absolutely. You should check our Madison Parks website, www.cityofmadison.com/parks. On a daily basis, we update those if they're open, if the trails are open, if the rinks are open, and the hours.
Okay. Laura, we appreciate it. Thank you very much for stopping by. So if you get a chance, we've got the daddy-daughter dance, we've got the mother-son luau, and of course we have all the fun outdoor offerings that the Parks Department has in the winter months. Laura, again, thank you very much.